Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well and that you had a pleasant weekend. Today is November 13th, 2023. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Snapshot, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in the Antelope Valley real estate market. As I like to point out week after week, I feel it's important that residents and property owners here in the Antelope Valley have a local trusted resource to go to in order to see exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. Also, as I point out week after week, it's so often that our statistics, our numbers get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, state of California. And our market is definitely, like a lot of real estate markets, definitely unique unto itself. So I feel it's important that residents have that local resource to, like I said, just see exactly what's going on. Before we get into the statistics, I'd like to point out that the numbers we use are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So let's see what the week of November 13th, 2023 holds for our local real estate market here. There we go. Start off the listing the week with 671 active residential listings on the market. That's up just a tick, less than 1% from last week when we were at 665. However, a pretty good jump from 4 weeks ago when we were at 612, 9.6%. But look at where we were this time last year, 1,136 listings. So we are down 41% from where we were last year. Starting to see some more properties come on the market, but nothing definitely like we saw through the into the second quarter, through the third quarter, and into the fourth quarter of 2022. So we will continue, obviously, week after week to just watch and see what's going on with our market. Our pendings, those properties that are under contract in escrow, took a little bit of a dip from last week, down less than 1%. We start the week at 394. However, you'll see that from 4 weeks ago, we're down about 9.8% when we're at 437. From a year ago, we were at 417, so down about 5%. So going to be fun to watch this week because mortgage rates have taken about a 0.5% drop over the last week. So it's going to be interesting to see if that definitely gets some folks off the sidelines, even with the holidays coming up, perhaps thinking that rates may continue to fall and now's a good time to get out and start looking at some properties. Let's go ahead and get into our next slide, the week over week comparison. There we go. So you can see the residential listings coming on the market from a week ago, the week of 10/30 to 11/5, down 16.1%. Last week, 73 new residential listings on the market compared to 87 the week before. There's that little bit of a drop in those pendings, those going into escrow over the last 7 days, down 7 from the prior week. Once again, an interesting number here, our median number of days on the market took a 9-day drop, down 17. So once again, and I say this over and over, is that it definitely shows that there are buyers in this market. They're ready to make a decision, just waiting for that right property to come on the market. Good area, good condition, nicely priced, and they will make that decision. Once again, it's over the next couple of weeks as we see what interest rates do. We may see that number drop even a little bit further. So number of properties that closed escrow, residential properties through our local MLS, down 10.2% to 53 from 59. And then once again, pretty good jump in our median sales price. Those 53 closed sales last week had a median sales price of $498,500, which is a little bit higher than about 2.5% higher than what the median list price was. So that median sales price holding firm, bouncing between the 450 to upper. We had a crest a couple of weeks back over 500. So once again, definitely not seeing any huge decline in values. And that type of stuff as we move forward towards this market into Thanksgiving and then Christmas and the other holidays. So we will go ahead and stop that share there. And any other statistics information on our local market that myself or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors might be able to provide you, by all means, please feel free to reach out to us and let us know what we can do to assist you, where we have proudly been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care, make it a great week, and we will see you next Monday. Bye-bye.